Okay, so in this video, we'll be covering question 7, which is write k-means clustering algorithm, discuss how initial centroids influence result. Let's go to k-means. We have k-means clustering. Here, what we do is we need a k, which is number of clusters, right? So initialization is very simple. We randomly choose k points as initial centroids, where we assign those observation with a random value between 1 to k. Now we repeat until convergence. What we do is assignment step is for each point we compute the distance to each centroid and assign points to the nearest centroid. So let's say we assign the data point to its nearest cluster, right? And update step is for each cluster k. Now after assigning all these values, we recompute the centroid. And after recomputing centroid means calculating the mean of those values in the centroid. Now we do this until we achieve convergence or until cluster assignments stop changing. So fifth step is stop when assignments or centroids no longer change or change is below a threshold, right? This is the algorithm of k-means clustering. Here we are performing clustering. We are in based on clusters where data points are similar in a same cluster, and if we take two clusters, those data points will be different from each other, right? Now, uh, here we are asked how initial k centroid affect our k-means clustering. So we'll see k-means may converge to local minima of objective, where non-convex function have a local minima, that is sum of squared distance of centroids. Here, different initial centroids can lead to different final cluster assignment. Yes, very correct. Where if we take different initial centroids, our convergence may be a fast or slow. So the what we can not find the optimal value or optimal cluster centroid initial assignments. These are NP hard problems and cannot be determined. So what is our best practice? We try to randomly select our initial centroids with a random initialization, right? And pick the solution with lowest within cluster of sum of squares. And for example, we have two values at 1, 2, and we have two values at 19, 20. Now we take one value of cluster as 1 and we take second value of cluster as 19 because their difference is very high. So there is a chance that for k is equal to 2, the clusters will be 2 and initial assignment would be that. But basically it's in a large data set, it is done on random and our smart assignment initialization of k-means is done so that convergence can be achieved faster and there is smooth boundary decision for convergence, right? This is a picture of convergence. Here we have feature 1 and feature 2. Now this is one cluster. If data point is this cluster, this is one cluster, this is one cluster. Data points in the same cluster are similar and data points in different cluster are dissimilar, right? This is k-means clustering. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you.